Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Automates. We're diving into something massive, powerful, and just plain cool, the 2025 Caterpillar D70. Oh, now, if you're into construction tech, heavy machinery, or just love the raw power of these beasts, you're in for a ride. This isn't just a dozer. This is the future of earth moving. Caterpillar's taken decades of engineering excellence and pushed it to a whole new level with the D70. And whether you're running a job site or just fascinated by cutting-edge machines, this one's gonna blow your mind. So let's start with what makes the D70 a game changer. First off, size. This thing is a monster. We're talking nearly 90 tons of brute strength, sitting on reinforced tracks that can chew through practically any terrain. Dirt, rock, clay, doesn't matter. The undercarriage design has been completely reworked for better weight distribution and smoother operation, even on uneven ground. That means less stress on the machine and way more efficiency on the job. Now let's talk about power. At the heart of this beast is Caterpillar's new C27 hybrid engine system. That's right, hybrid. In 2025, we're not just talking about eco-friendly cars anymore. Heavy equipment is catching up, and Caterpillar's leading the way. The D70 combines a diesel powerhouse with electric assist motors, giving it more torque at low speeds and reducing fuel consumption by up to 20% compared to previous models. That's a huge deal in an industry where fuel is one of the biggest operating costs. Plus, it cuts emissions without sacrificing performance. And let's be real, a greener footprint is not just good PR. It's the future of the industry, but the real innovation, it's all in the brain. The D70 isn't just muscle, it's smart. Fully loaded with CAT's latest command technology, this dozer can be operated remotely from up to 2 miles away. And I'm not talking about some clunky remote-controlled toy setup. I mean full 3D interface, high-res terrain mapping, real-time diagnostics, and adaptive machine learning that literally improves performance as it works. Imagine that. The D70 learns the terrain, optimizes blade angles, adjusts power distribution. On its own, it's like having your best operator times 10, 24/7. Speaking of blades, the D70 sports a redesigned high-capacity blade that's wider, deeper, and made from a new high-strength composite that Caterpillar's developed in-house. Less weight, more durability, and reduced resistance. So not only does it push more, it lasts longer doing it. The blade control system now uses AI-assisted feedback to maintain optimal cut angles automatically. That means no more overworking the hydraulics, just consistent, powerful performance. Now let's talk comfort, because operators spend long hours in these machines. And the D70's cab is basically a luxury suite on tracks. We're talking air suspension seat, panoramic touchscreen controls, adaptive noise-canceling interior, and a climate control system that literally adjusts based on where you're looking. It senses where you're turning your head and optimizes airflow to keep you focused. It's wild. And yes, there's Bluetooth, USB-C, wireless charging, you name it. There's even a built-in fatigue alert system that monitors operator biometrics to make sure you're staying sharp and safe during those marathon shifts. And don't worry, maintenance has gotten smarter too. The D70 has more sensors than ever, monitoring hydraulic pressure, oil life, wear patterns, and temperature levels across the board. All that data gets sent to the CAT app in real time, so fleet managers can schedule maintenance before anything goes wrong. No surprises, no downtime. You can even set custom performance alerts, like if an operator is pushing too hard, or if the machine detects an obstacle it doesn't recognize. That's next-level oversight that keeps everything running smooth. Now let's talk real-world use. This isn't just a showroom model. The D70 is already being used in some of the world's toughest environments, from mining operations in South Africa to mega construction projects in the Middle East. One site in Dubai reported a 28% increase in grading efficiency just by switching to the D70 and using CAT command. That's insane. Less time, less fuel, better results. And when you're working with tight deadlines and million-dollar contracts, that kind of edge matters big time. And for those wondering about transport and logistics, yeah, it's big. But Caterpillar's thought that through too. The D70 comes with modular assembly options. That means it can be broken down into shippable segments and reassembled on site with minimal downtime. Plus, it uses standard shipping dimensions for global freight compatibility. You're not stuck hiring specialty haulers every time you move it to a new job. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much does this thing cost? And while Caterpillar hasn't put an exact price out there publicly, industry insiders are estimating somewhere in the $2.50 to $3 million range, depending on configuration. But remember, you're not just buying a bulldozer. You're investing in a productivity tool that pays for itself faster than almost anything else in your fleet. Between the fuel savings, reduced labor costs, and uptime reliability, the ROI is legit. So, who's the D70 for? It's not for the backyard landscaper or even the small construction crew. This machine is built for the big players: mining companies, mega infrastructure developers, government contracts, Anyone who needs serious earth-moving power and can't afford downtime, it's the machine you want when the stakes are high and the margins are thin. To wrap it up, the 2025 Caterpillar D70 isn't just a bulldozer, it's a technological milestone. It's faster, smarter, more efficient, and way more capable than anything that came before it. Caterpillar isn't just keeping up with the future, they're building it. And if this is what 2025 looks like for heavy machinery, I can't wait to see what's coming next. If you liked this deep dive and want more heavy equipment breakdowns, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of the D70? Would you add it to your fleet? Until next time, stay safe, stay powerful, and keep digging.